motorbike.
But you can also see that he's outside. There's a community on each road that he's passing by. Like, I can see cars. I can see cars.
And we're going to go splat.
That's not a thing we want, though, yo. What's good, y'all? It's the Demouchets React, and we're back with another video. Who we got today, C?
Today we are going to be doing another reaction to motorbikes.
Yes.
We are going to be on board of a Superbike. Don't really know how this is going to work out. I might get dizzy. But if you're new to us and we're new to you, make sure you scroll down, hit the red subscribe button, and turn on the post notification bell because we're on the road to 50K. And we cannot get there without you guys.
Facts.
All right? Join the family. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
Oh.
Oh, Lord. I'm dizzy already.
Yo, this fast.
Jesus.
Is he gonna come try to pass this guy up?
That's what it look like.
Are we gonna pass him
up? Just don't crash with us on the board.
But you see, that's the thing about it. You gotta know the depths between you and the person on the bike. So, and the confidence that you have should be able to, like, he passing him up now.
He said, hey, you thought.
I'll be too scared to be bust my knees open like that.
Me too.
Like, just spread my legs and make sure the bike stand nice and balanced.
Here we go. It looks like we're going on a small
You gotta know it.
street.
Ooh, he must have passed him up good.
Passed him. You know, this takes experience passing people up. With everything going so fast.
Yeah, that is so true. Without bumping them. It does take that one angry biker to just be like, I'm gonna cost my life too. Get him in.
See, they on this little small little road with these houses.
These roads like they're going downward.
Probably on a hill.
Got him another one.
Passed up
And
another
whoever
one.
this cat is clean, bro. He's a router.
Went on a curve and everything.
Okay.
And he sped up.
Okay. Do you know these roads, or do you just like you guessing as you go?
I don't know. I know they small though.
Shout out to the scenery. Got a nice green scenery going on.
A lot of shade.
No shade made, no shade thrown. Yo, it's always interesting to have this point of view.
Getting a little dizzy, but I'm alright.
But you can also see that he's outside. There's a community on each road that he's passing by. Like, I can see cars. I can see cars.
And we're gonna go splat.
That's not a thing we want, though, yo.
It's not it.
We don't need mosquito juice everywhere.
The mosquito juice.
Yeah, that's Splat for you.
Woo.
Okay, now we up on another biker right now. Okay.
Think he gonna pass him away?
He did it. If he did it twice, he could do it a third time.
If he did it before, he'll do it again.
I don't think I blinked yet, yo.
We about to pass him.
It just goes to show you how much faster they're going when he get close to another biker.
That biker had his head in the tree.
This is smooth. He thought he was going somewhere. Look who's on your tail. It's us, the Demouchets.
We about to pass you.
What
you gonna do? What you gonna? Never mind. Hold up, wait. We may still be able to pass him though.
I think they gave the GoPro to the right guy because he is literally showing us a lot of action right now. My boy's passing up everything.
We
just hit a hill.
It's these houses you gotta worry about.
I wonder at one point when do he become one with the bike?
At the beginning, all that vibration, I bet he's numb now.
I would go with a speaker on mine.
What you gonna say?
And I would just have some music.
Is that a car? Is that?
Those lights looked weird. Yeah, highway hypnosis has officially been affected on Sierra. She has definitely dealt with it just now.
I would have been slowed down if I thought that was a car.
Probably slam on my brakes and hurt myself.
I would have been in the trees. Man, he done passed up everybody. You don't even see nobody no more.
This is ridiculous. Okay. Okay. Okay, y'all hear that? It's ramming. Y'all hear that? He gone.
We're going even faster.
I like it.
We must be close to the finish line.
We're going to another dimension.
We must be close to the finish line. We gotta be.
Yeah.
We won, y'all.
Hey, that was clean.
We won.
That was a headache, though.
I didn't throw up.
You didn't throw up?
No.
My head's still spinning.
My head hurt.
I'm
but
starting
I
to see
didn't
like a
throw
little
up.
twinkles going on right here, y'all. I'm going to just go ahead and tune out right here, y'all. I'm
Oh,
gonna
God.
count these stars.
We hope you all enjoyed your time with us. Like this video, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. We have enabled our super thanks if you would like to support the channel that way. And if you would like to send us goodies from your country, all of our information is down in the description box below.
Check it out.
We'll see y'all soon.
Peace.